Hello and welcome to another English lesson. Let's see together what's the difference between just and only. We'll start with only. Only is used in multiple situations and can be an adjective, adverb, or conjunction. But this is not important for now because I'll explain it to you. Only as an adverb. It can be replaced with just. So, Jack was only 2 when he started singing. We can replace only with just. And we can say, Jack was just 2 when he started singing. So we know that only is an adverb in this situation because we can replace it with just. So Jack was only 2 or Jack was just 2. It is only an idea. It is just an idea. So again, we can replace only with just, so we know that only is an adverb in this situation. Let's see only as an adjective. It means that there is only one of a kind. It's unique when we use only as an adjective. This is the only phone that I have. This is the only phone that I have. So it's one of a kind, it's unique. It's the only one. This is the only photograph that I have. This is the only photograph that I have. It's the only one, it's unique. So now only, it's an adjective. Let's see only as a conjunction. It's when it can be replaced with but. We both go to the same school, only I live closer. We both go to the same school, but I live closer. So now we can replace only with but. And we know that only is a conjunction. We both go to the same school, only I live closer, but I live closer. He is a good man, only he drinks too much. He is a good man, but he drinks too much. So again, we can replace only with but. Let's see just. Just can mean recently. For example, I just washed the dishes. I just washed the dishes. She just finished her homework. She just finished her homework recently. It can also mean exactly. This is just what I wanted to eat. This is just what I wanted to eat. This is exactly what I wanted to eat. This is just what I mean. This is exactly what I mean. Just can also mean only. I just have one sister. I only have one sister. So it's basically the same thing. I just have one sister, or I only have one sister. I ate just half of the cake. I ate only half of the cake. I just came to talk to her. I only came to talk to her. Let's see the differences. The only difference is the order of the words in a sentence. For example, I just ate 2 pieces of chocolate. I ate them a few seconds ago. That's what it means. I just ate 2 pieces of chocolate. If we say, I ate just 2 pieces of chocolate, it means that I only had 2 pieces and no more. So the order of the words is very important because it changes the whole sentence, the whole meaning of the sentence. This was today's lesson. I hope everyone liked it. If so, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel because this helps me a lot. And thanks. See you next time. Goodbye.